Kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and well. Today I'm going to use my air fryer slash toaster oven to prepare an easy salmon and asparagus. It's a recipe that came along with the book and I'm going to tweak it my way. So here's my toaster oven slash air fryer, and it came with a recipe, and basically I'm going to tweak the recipe to my liking. Okay, something simple and easy. Stay tuned. Right here I have my asparagus. I've already washed them. And here I have my salmon. It's about a pound. I've already rinsed it off with some fresh lemon. So I'm going to start with the asparagus. For the asparagus, I'm just going to cut it off like right here, like so. Just basically cut off the hard part. See? That's it. So I've trimmed my asparagus, and basically I'm just going to season it up to my liking. So here I have some minced garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, I have a recipe for this already. I basically roasted in the oven, but I'm excited to try this air fryer. And then you're just going to mix to combine. I'm using about a tablespoon of olive oil. Maybe I'll add a little more. Okay, so I mixed everything together. Now I'm just going to pour it onto the asparagus, and then I'm just going to rub it all up together. So I'm just going to combine it. Guys, this smells so good. So it's basically olive oil, black pepper, minced garlic, and the salt. I'm going to place it in my air fryer basket. Guys, I just try to arrange them, separate them as much as possible. This is about a half a pound. Okay. Guys, so I'm going to put it in. There we go. I'm so excited to use this. I originally bought this toaster oven for my kids. You know, after school, they can do their stuff without bugging me to use the big oven. So here I am using it. So see you in 10 minutes. Guys, while the asparagus is roasting, let's work on the salmon. So I have here seafood seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, black pepper, and crushed pepper. So basically I'm going to combine everything in a bowl together. And I'm not adding any salt to this. And just mix it all up. And this is about a pound of salmon. I'm going to cut it because it looks too big. Guys, I think I'm going to cut it like this, right? This looks much nice and neat. So that's it. You just sprinkle your salmon generously. forgot, guys, to sprinkle it with a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit, okay? Like so, like that. Okay. And just season your salmon generously to your liking. As I do the sides too, and I leave the skin on. You don't have to leave the skin on. I just like to leave the skin on. Okay, so that's one piece. Look how good this looks. And guys, I didn't add any salt because the seasoning have some salt in it already. Okay. On the recipe in the book, it's basically salt and pepper and some paprika. I didn't add any paprika. I just add what I told you that I was adding. Okay. Looks good. Okay guys, it's been 10 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh wow. Look at them, guys. Looks yummy. Okay, so I'm just going to remove this and put it on a plate. Stay tuned. Same basket, I'm just going to spray it with some cooking spray, like so. And I'm just going to add my salmon. Like so, skin down. So the salmon is in. I'm going to put this on 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Okay, so see you in 7 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 7 minutes. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at this. Alright guys, so I'm going to take it out. Guys, it says, the instructions say 7 minutes, but for me, I like my salmon a little more done. So I'm just going to put the asparagus in it, on top of it like so, and I'm going to put it back into my air fryer for another 2 to 3 minutes. That's my preference, okay? Stay tuned. Guys, it's all completed. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness, look at it. Looks delicious. Here it is, guys, my super easy and delicious air fry salmon and asparagus recipe was inspired by my new toaster slash air fryer. I tweaked the recipe to my liking. I hope you guys will give it a try, and until next time, I thank you guys for watching. Be kind to others. One love. All right guys, let's try. Oh guys, look at that. See how flaky and moist? Wow. Let's give it a taste. Oh my goodness. Guys, it is delicious. Yummy.